Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here we are going to see the guest faculty vacancies in the Central University of Haryana. I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys, and here you just scroll down, you can see here the walk-in interview for the posts of guest faculty in the various departments. So it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the job in the Central University. And it is a notification guys, walk-in interview notification. And walk-in interviews for the posts of guest faculty in various departments will be held as per the schedule attached. The venue of the interview is campus itself, the Central University campus itself. And the general instructions, the candidate should bring their applications on prescribed pro forma along with the original and the self-attested copies of the certificates and the qualifications as per the UGC regulations 2018. And the selected candidates will be paid 1500 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. So the candidates, whatever the departments, here I am going to show you right now on this notification. So if you are having the post graduation in that one without UGC NET or without PhD also, so attend to the interview guys. So if you want to get the more details regarding the qualifications, then you may contact the university, right? And next, the TADA will not be provided, and applications not accompanied by necessary supporting documents or self-attested copies of the degrees, incomplete applications shall be rejected. And the eligibility of candidates will be determined on the date of the interview. Okay, so it is one new point mentioned here. The eligibility of the candidates will be determined on the date of the interview, and the separate application form must be submitted for each post or department. And the application duly filled in the prescribed form along with the relevant documents are required to be submitted at the time of the interview. And change in the schedule of interview, if any, will be displayed only on the website. No separate call letter for walk-ins will be issued for the individual candidates. And coming to the schedule for the walk-in interview, the library and information science, 3 posts, and 24th October 2020 is the interview date, and reporting time is morning 9 o'clock. So like that, you can check down for the Sanskrit, Yoga, Economics, Environmental Studies, Computer Science and Information Technology, School of Education. School of Education requires B.Ed or M.Ed, and Pharmaceutical Sciences. Okay, so these are the departments, and here the schedule and time of the interview, both these two are mentioned here. And here the application pro forma is mentioned. Okay, you can download this one from the university website itself. So it is application form for the teaching force, and you can see the father's name, mother's name, husband name, date of birth, nationality, religion, caste and email ID, and the educational qualifications. So 10th, 12th, bachelor's, master's, MPhil or equivalent, the PhD. So indicate specially whether the PhD degree has been awarded or not, any NET or SLET qualification is there or not. So all these points you have to mention here, and the period of experience and the name and address of the employers. Okay, so you have to fill up all these details guys. Anyhow, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. Fine, so you may take care about this one guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay. So apart from this one, The Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay. So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.